Nature is a great experimenter. How do you think it experiments? Basically, it discards the species that is not supporting the whole. And it has constantly experimented over millions of years. It has discarded the dinosaurs. It has discarded probably the saber-toothed tigers. It has discarded Ramapithecus. It has discarded the Neanderthals. A few of these species have survived for 200,000 years. A few of them have also survived for 10 to 20 million years. So this is just information for you. But the question is, how sure are we about the success of our species, of the success of this human species? Are you sure we're going to survive forever? If we have to survive forever, that means you need to be beneficial for the whole. If you're not going to be beneficial for the whole, what would nature do? It would discard us. Are we being beneficial to the whole? So we probably have to have a conversation with the planet Earth. What do you think the planet would tell us? No? Very unhappy. We are probably more damaging than the smallpox virus, which doesn't exist now. Yes? We are more damaging. We are causing greater calamity. We are being cruel to this planet of ours. If you look at any other species, every other species kills somebody else or kills another species only for its own survival, only when it is threatened or when it is very hungry. But we as a human species, we have not evolved. But we as a species kill another species, not for our own survival, but to prove our superiority over the other, to prove our dominance over this entire planet, or sometimes even for pleasure. There is a huge noise outside in the world about the virus, the coronavirus. What if this coronavirus is nature's way of eliminating the human virus? There is a huge possibility, right? We are not being beneficial to the whole. If we are not being beneficial to the whole, we have seen again and again that nature discards us. In the current situation, China is not the problem. The Chinese people are not the problem. What is the problem? The problem is our own consciousness. We are living and experiencing life in separation. We are living and experiencing life as though we are separate from everybody around us. And this separation-driven consciousness has its own repercussions. And we see it in the world. We see it in the world as cancer. We see it in the world as disaster, as natural calamity, or as the coronavirus. It is time to awaken now. We can't continue living our life from a disconnected state of consciousness. The more disconnection that we experience, more chaotic would be the world around us. If we are truly looking for a more peaceful world, if we are truly looking for a more joyful world, if we intend to create a beautiful world for our children, for our grandchildren, then the transformation has to happen now and here. It is already too late.